Well, as mentioned, things not going so great for Bowling Green either. It's an admittedly young Falcons squad that is still figuring out how to win. They took a 13-point lead into the half Saturday before giving up 3 third-quarter touchdowns in a 35-20 loss to Akron. BGSU 2 for 3 in red zone opportunities. That looks good on paper, but through 3 quarters, they just came away with only 6 points to show for it. Now, those self-inflicted errors proved costly in the end. For Scott Loeffler, it all comes down to consistency as the focus this week turns to executing in critical moments and maintaining that momentum for all 4 quarters.
You know, we're an inconsistent football team that when we get put in the moment and in critical situations, at times we execute and at times we don't. You know, the big emphasis that we've been talking to our guys is those critical moments that we have in practice, the seriousness, the intensity, the focus, the concentration has to be completely game-like. And when we get mature with age, we're going to see more of that occur, and which then gives you a chance to be successful in some critical situations.
You know, if we clean our stuff up, then we're going to be very, fine. I think we got, great players. Everyone cares, which is a big thing too. So I think that we will get things fixed.
We're trying to eliminate all of that, and that's what championship teams do. If someone's going to beat us, they're going to beat us because they're better. And if you assess the games that we've lost, we've been at times playing against 2 different teams, 2 teams at once, BG and the opponent. So